Today I'm gonna show you how to create simple and fire Afrobeat guitar instrumental in FL Studio 24. If you are a beginner and want to know how to create those kind of instrumental, this video is exactly for. Or even if you are a Grammy nominated producer, you will find something interesting in this video. So let's have some fun. I have my tempo set at 106 and I'm going to use the electric sunburst contact library. This one sounds very nice, and you can find mute guitar and also different preset from this one. I'm out the mute one, and the preset is the clean R&B, but use the mute. Our chord progression is going to be simple. I might use only the white note. So let me load the chord progression that I'm going to use. We're going to go with A minor, G major, and then F major. Let me just create them. Simple like that. Only the white note. And then we go dun, dun. It's like we reverse the order of the chord. But one thing that we're going to do now is like create a melody. Like, and then with the first and then the last note of each chord, we use them to create our melody. And then and then now we just do this right there, and then we take the second one, we have it here, and then the first one we have it right there. Is that you create the chord progression, the three chord, and then you do the reverse like. And now I want to add a third note on each melody, like I want to add another note to it, but let's say that I want to use a different preset, or the same preset, but this right here, this setting right here sounds different. I'm gonna add one note like this one right here, this one right here, and then here. Okay, I'll cue, we quantize everything, and then let me give them longer like that, and then that sounds nice. Now I'm going to use expand and then try to find some violin. I'm gonna go with let's go to string, and then there's a preset that I love using, this solo violin. For this melody, I think it's going to sound better if I play it. Okay, I want to add another instrument again. This time I think I'm going to use maybe, let's say that we add another violin, but this one is going to play like one note and the whole pattern. So this one right there, you just play one note just like that, and then we will lower it again. Okay, now I want to add my first I want to play the chord progression so we can have something in underneath of everything. That's the first chord. I think a G, and then another major chord. We have it like that, and then we take it this one right here, and then we take the second one, and then the first one is that you have the chord in reverse. And now we are going to copy the low note of each chord, and then and then we can transpose. I want to add another instrument underneath of it. Again, let's say that we use Sakura. I didn't use this one for some time now, and there's a preset that I really love using, which is this pad right there. We copy this incorporation and then we pass it here. Okay guys, it's time to jump directly to the drums. So let's say that we're trying to find a percussion. Not this one. Let's say that. Let's go with this one. Fill each 4 step, and then I'll use this one instead. Simple like that, and then you duplicate it, the basic Afrobeat drum pattern. Let me put it on there. And let's add some conga. I want to add this one too. Okay, now we want something that's going to bring more vibe to the drums. I think I have something in there. I will use this one, but let's say that I want. Okay, let's add this just to make it sound crazy. I don't want this to. That sounds good. And let's go to fire. We are going to use this right there, this sub, and let's make sure we adjust the setting on the envelope the way we want it, and then we are going to play sample note like. This is fire. This is fire. You see guys, you don't need to do a lot to have those crazy vibes. The simple, you keep the vibe, the fire is gonna be. I don't know if that makes sense. So this is fire. And I think next thing can be maybe add let's say that I want to add a flute. Let's use expand again. I just want to add more instrument to make it much more interesting. Those instruments, they are not going to play a lot. Let's go to brass and woodwind. There's a flute in there. I think this is where I'm going to find that brass and woodwind. Okay, let's use this flute right. Simple like that. I want it to nah. Okay, this one can be a little bit shorter, and then that's it. Leave it just the way it is. Don't quantize it, so we can have this human feel. And one thing we can do, let's call this one our flute, and then we write it to a mixer track. I'm going to use the Valhalla shimmer just to create some atmospheric vibe in the background. Guys, Expand have a lot of good instruments in it for Afrobeat. If you are on a budget, you can definitely buy Expand, and then after making so much money with it, you can definitely say, hey, now it's time to buy some more plugin. Expand is very good, guys. I'm gonna go to maybe Brass and Wood Wine. There's a solo, I think, a solo trumpet or street trumpet, I think. Where is it again? This one was street trumpet, not street sax. It was street trumpet. Okay, this one. I love this one. So we are going to use a stack, like we create a stack right there. Comment L, like Z. And then now let's call it our trumpet. And then now we can add some reverb. Let's say some delay. Let's use the Valhalla delay. Put our mix about 20%, and then I'm gonna use the dual delay so we can have it left and right. I'm gonna cut some of the low. That's fire, guys. This is fire. Now we are going, I don't know why I keep opening all the plugins that I don't really need. That's crazy. I don't need this one right now. Let's say that I want to open the Fluty DX10. I want to add some log drum real quick underneath of this one, just to add more vibe to the one. We put this to 0 and then 1 right there. And then the same thing right there. And I'm gonna have maybe we can take this one octave, right? Guys, it is a vibe. This is how you can create those crazy and fire guitar Afrobeat from scratch. If we want to make a little arrangement real quick, we can call this one our guitar. Right click, split by channel, delete all of those, and then select everything. We drag them to our playlist and then comment B, just like that. And let's say that we start without the drums and we start with only the two guitar, like this to still be there. And then now we can have like that, just like that. We took everything right there. I want the snare to come right there. Okay, I think now I can add maybe my tag or anything like that I want, but this one is like an intro, verse, and then the chorus. This sound very crazy. This is how simple it is to create those kind of beat, and you see the arrangement is pretty simple. You have an intro, first verse, and then the chorus. Pretty simple like that. Normally you will create the arrangement with the artist that's going to be on the instrumental, or you will propose something to the artist depending on the vibe you have, depending on the lyrics, depending on the arrangement that you both want. So this sound very nice. For now I think I'm gonna add the flute some. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you love the instrumental we create today. It is simple, but you can see fire. So yeah, now I'm gonna let you enjoy it and see you in the next one.